Emily is 18 years old, and she lives in a very big and beautiful house with her family. And inside this big house there's also a huge bedroom that belongs only to her, with bright windows and nice furniture. But even though she has a comfortable home and a lovely room, Emily is not feeling happy inside her heart, because there is something in her life that she keeps as a secret, and she does not want to tell anyone about it, not even her closest friends or her loving parents. And this secret makes her feel very shy and a little embarrassed. The problem is that when nobody knows about this secret, there is also nobody who can help her to solve it or make it better. So Emily tries to hide her feelings every day and acts like everything is normal. Her parents sometimes notice that something seems wrong, so they ask her kindly if she is okay or if anything is bothering her. But Emily just smiles and says that she is fine, even though deep down she knows she is not really fine at all. Emily's secret is that she has something called dyslexia. And dyslexia is a learning difficulty that makes reading and writing much harder for her than for other people. And because of this, she feels very different from her friends. She is afraid that they might laugh at her or think less of her if they find out. So she decides to keep it to herself and hide her difficulties. Because of dyslexia, Emily's school grades start to go down, and she begins to avoid reading in class whenever possible. Sometimes, when there is an important test, she even pretends to be sick so she will not have to take it. Emily actually loves stories very much, and she enjoys listening to them. But reading the words on the page is so hard for her that she feels sad when she sees her friends reading books easily and quickly. She wishes she could read like them, but every time she tries, she struggles and feels frustrated. One day, Emily's teacher, Mrs. Brown, notices that Emily is having a hard time in class. After the lesson ends, Mrs. Brown asks Emily to stay. For a moment, Emily feels nervous and a little scared because she thinks she might be in trouble. But when Mrs. Brown speaks, her voice is gentle and kind. She tells Emily that it is okay to have difficulties, and she explains that many people also have dyslexia, so she is not alone. Emily feels a little better after hearing this, but she is still worried. Mrs. Brown tells her that there is special help available, such as extra reading classes and special tools that can make reading much easier. Emily is surprised, because she did not know that help like this existed. That day, she decides to tell her parents about her secret. She feels nervous, but she knows that she needs support if she wants to get better. When Emily tells her parents, they listen carefully, and instead of being upset, they feel happy that she finally shared her feelings with them. Together with Mrs. Brown, they make a plan to help her. Emily begins attending special classes, and she is given extra time on tests. She also starts using special reading tools, and little by little, her skills begin to improve. Reading is still challenging for her, but now she does not feel alone, because her friends start to support her and never judge her. Her grades slowly get better, and she begins to feel more confident. She even starts to enjoy reading again, especially when she finds books that she truly loves. Emily learns that having dyslexia does not mean she is not smart. It just means she learns in a different way. She also learns that asking for help is a good thing. Now, Emily's secret is no longer a secret, and she is no longer embarrassed. She understands that everyone has their own challenges, and she feels proud of how far she has come. Her parents are proud too, because they see how hard she works every day. Her teachers are proud because they see her progress and know she is trying her best. Her friends also learn more about dyslexia, and this makes them kinder and more supportive. They help her whenever she needs it. Of course, Emily still has some tough days when she feels frustrated, but she reminds herself that she is not alone and that she can overcome her difficulties. She practices reading every single day, uses her special tools, and keeps getting better. She starts to enjoy school again and finds hobbies like painting and playing music, which make her happy and give her more confidence. Emily sets goals for her future. She wants to graduate from high school with good grades, go to college, and become a teacher one day. She works hard, studies, and asks for help whenever she needs it. Her family supports her every step of the way, celebrating her successes and comforting her when she feels down. Her story begins to inspire others. People see that she is living proof that asking for help and working hard can lead to success. Finally, Emily graduates from high school with good grades, feeling very proud of herself, and her family and friends are proud too. She gets into college, and although she feels a little nervous, she is also excited because she knows she can do it. In college, Emily meets many new people, and she makes friends who are understanding and supportive. She tells them about her dyslexia, and they respect her for being open and honest. She studies hard, attends all her classes, and continues to use her reading tools. She even starts helping other students with dyslexia, becoming a mentor and sharing her advice. Her dream of becoming a teacher grows stronger every day because she wants to help children like her and show them that they can succeed too. After years of hard work, Emily finally graduates from college and becomes a teacher. She loves her job and supports her students every day. Her students look up to her because they know she understands them and believes in them. One day, a new student named Jake joins her class. He is shy and quiet, and Emily notices he is having trouble with reading. She remembers how she felt when she was his age, so after class, she gently asks him if he needs help. At first, Jake hesitates, but then he nods and says that he has dyslexia. Emily smiles warmly and tells him her own story. Jake feels relieved to know that he is not alone. Emily helps Jake with his reading, showing him the same tools she once used. Over time, Jake's reading improves, his confidence grows, and his grades get better. He starts enjoying school, makes friends, and feels happy again. Emily is proud of him and knows she made a difference in his life. Her classroom becomes a place where students feel safe, supported, and encouraged to help each other. Emily's parents visit and see how happy she is in her work, and they know she has found her true calling. Her story spreads, inspiring many people to learn more about dyslexia and other learning challenges. Emily is invited to speak at events and conferences, where she shares her journey and encourages others to ask for help. She even writes a book about her experiences, and it becomes popular among readers who find hope and strength in her story. She receives many letters from people thanking her for sharing. She continues to write more books, helping people all over the world. Emily's life is now full of joy and meaning. She loves her work, her students, and her mission to inspire others. She understands that her dyslexia was never something to be ashamed of. It was simply part of her journey, making her stronger and more determined. Emily's story is a reminder that everyone has challenges, and it is okay to be different. With support, hard work, and courage, anyone can succeed in their own way. Emily continues to grow, help others, and live her dream. She knows that whatever comes next, she can face it with confidence. If you enjoyed Emily's journey, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others so more people can be inspired. See you in the next story.